The quickest way to promote a Instagram story is by first posting your photo or your video to your story. So here on my newsfeed, if I look at the very top left, I can see our Friedman logo and it says your story with a blue plus symbol. If I click that area, it takes me to my Instagram stories. So I can take a picture or video from here, or I can go over to my newsfeed, my camera roll, and I can find a photo that I want to share on my story. Instagram stories, we'll talk about this throughout our management class, but Instagram stories gives you other options such as adding different emojis and different graphics to your photo. You can add text to your photo, etc. So once you have your story laid out the way you'd want it to, on the very bottom right, click on Send To, and then you'll share it with your story. Now I have it also shared to my Facebook story because my Facebook and Instagram are connected. So I can click on Share, click Done, and it goes out to my Instagram story. Now on the top left, you'll notice a multicolor effect around our logo. That means that we have a new story that has been shared. Same with some other accounts that we follow. You can see those people at the top. They have new stories that they've shared. What I want to do next is click back to my story so that I can see it. Now you'll notice the time frame at the top, it's about to expire. So I'm holding my phone right now. I have my pointer finger on my screen so that that story stops. Otherwise, it goes on and it takes me back to my newsfeed. So I'm again click on my story. At the very bottom right, you have Facebook, highlight, and more. I'm going to click on more. See, it got away from me. It's quick. So I'm going to click on more at the bottom right. And I have some options here. One option I have is to promote. When I click on promote, it takes me to a very familiar screen here, similar to when you're promoting a post. So I click on my call to action. Do I want people to go to my profile, go to my website, go to direct messages? I choose my audience. So I won't go through these steps specifically again, but you can refer to our previous video on how to create an Instagram boosted post. And also you'll choose your budget. So if I want to spend $4 over the next 2 days, click on next. I have my payment information already there, and click promote. And now my story will be reviewed, and if it meets Instagram's guidelines, it will be off and running. So that's the quickest way to promote a Instagram story.